Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Studio. So happy you could stop by today. I have a short little video here and I'm going to audition here my newest kit. It's the French Flower Market kit. It has a lot of these beautiful little images of paintings that had the theme of a flower market on them. And you know, with documents and wallpaper and that type of stuff. So this is the first page, and I'll just go along here. Got these floral images. Oh, I just really love this one. I think it's my favorite scene there, with some French ephemera. And this little flower girl here, she's so sweet. And here's the second page. And so there's 7 pages of these main themed journal pages here. And I think this is the last one. I've faded out some of these scenes so that you could write over that if you wanted to. And then I've got a couple of more or less background type of pages. So there's this one here. And this one you could put, you can write in these sections or put ephemera there. Then I have a couple of these other pages that could be used as background pages or tear sheets. And this one here has sort of a torn look to it. And this one here is actually squares of images that you could use for belly bands or you know, small journaling cards by themselves or whatever. Then I have some ephemera, and these are a couple, these are like 3 tags or 2 tags in a card. Some washi tape of some of that really pretty wallpaper I have in there. These beautiful roses. These are all vintage images. Here's an envelope with a matching card. Some flowers, some fussy cut flowers, and another envelope with matching cards and fussy cut flowers. So that will be in my shop and in my coffee shop as well. So I do want to show you the freebie that's from that kit, and it is this envelope here with this cute little French floral market theme and a matching card to go with it. And just to demonstrate, I am just going to quickly fold this over, fold the 2 place. Now you could score these, of course, or you can just fold them along the lines there. And what I like to do is just fold it so that it meets that edge where I folded it there, and that way I know this will fit over it. Now you could either glue these on the outside, but what I like to do is I like to take this one here and glue it right down against the side so that you can see that full scene, the full scene there. Okay, like so. You could do the same for the bottom as well, but for here I'll just fold it over like that, and that way this whole scene can be looked at. And just put a little card in there, and you have a little cute envelope. There we go. So there you go. So I hope you enjoy that and have fun with it. And again, it'll be offered at my coffee shop, and I'll put a link down below. So it was really great talking with you today, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye.